Little storyteller.
The sunbeam tickled a pile of colorful Lego bricks on a playroom floor. Suddenly, click, clack, snap, all by themselves, the bricks began to wiggle and join. Up, 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 grew a magnificent pirate ship with brown masts and a jolly flag with a smiling skull. A small doll's head with bright blue eyes popped onto the deck. "Ahoy!" she squeaked. Next, a shiny robot arm clanked aboard, waving hello with its grabby claw. Then, a green dinosaur tail thumped onto the ship, wagging happily. The mismatched toy parts had become a pirate crew. Captain Dolly, with her sparkly hair, pointed her tiny finger. "Let's sail to the land of sweet cookies." The robot arm, who they called Rusty, helped pull up the Lego anchor. Zoom! The little ship sailed across the wooden floor, which now looked like a big blue ocean. Suddenly, Dino the dinosaur tail spotted something. "Look! An island made of soft pillows." The ship sailed closer. It was a fluffy white island, with colorful buttons scattered on top like yummy candies. Captain Dolly, Rusty and Dino went ashore. They giggled as they bounced on the soft pillows. Rusty used his grabby claw to pick the colorful buttons. "These look like treasure." He beeped happily. Dino wagged his tail, knocking over a tower of buttons. "Oops," Captain Dolly smiled. "Let's share the treasure." They put all the colorful buttons into a little Lego chest on their ship. Sailing back across the wooden ocean, they felt happy to be a team, even though they were all different. Being different makes things more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.